Previously on The Life of JT. What is up, JT Squad? It is June 19th. You know what that means. It's Father's Day today, so happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there and the amazing mothers that have stepped up to be fathers and mothers. Just saying. So, here's the plan today. We got to get laundry done. We have to do our $5 corny free play, but someone in the comments did suggest Firelink if you're doing 50 cents. He said, if you're doing 50 cents, JT, try Firelink. So we're going to check and see if they have Firelink at Rampart Casino, but I don't know if they do. I think they have Ultimate Firelink, but we're going to see if they do. We're going to play it just for you in the comments. I appreciate the suggestion and the positive feedback on that, because I don't really bet crazy on slots anymore, but I used to back in the day, but not now. So we're going to do that. We're going to do a few baseball bets and possibly take $100 to the strip and try our luck. So that's the plan today. Nothing major, nothing big. If more things transpire, obviously you guys are coming with, but let's go get started on the day. The Life of JT. Cause I live in Vegas and I'm not going nowhere. I ended up finding the Firelink game. No luck though. I think I won $1. Then I put in 20 of my own money. Lost the 20 quick as hell. Barely even got any pay lines. But the lady on the other side kept getting bonus after bonus after bonus after bonus. That's why I don't really play that many slots, because it just doesn't pan out for me. But we're gonna go to the strip with $120. We had $140 for the strip, but now we're just gonna bring $120 and see what happens. To Treasure Island, and I didn't tell you guys, since mom's leg's so bad and she needs knee surgery, they gave her a handicap sticker, so, or placard or whatever. So look at this, we are literally right in the front, so that's good. Let's get in there, let's win some money. craziest shit ever. I kid you not. We're down to our last $20. I'm like, we'll try Firelink, maybe go to the ATM. I don't know. I'm not really feeling the ATM right now. Rent's going to be due in a couple weeks. We need to keep our budget low. We do have a little money saved, but we need to keep our budget low. So, say Firelink. 20 bucks, turn that into 150. End up playing a Buffalo, a Lightning Link, and then we get on piggy banking. Got a couple bonuses on piggy banking. End up being completely even. I kid you not. $100 in cash and a $20.19 Tito puts us up 19 cents. So I can't say anything. My sports bets are looking good. The first one's looking really good. I don't want to jinx anything, but it could be for $200 or close to. So hopefully we hit on that. But we're gonna try a couple other games, maybe go back to Firelink for at least a 20. Bob, what do you think of those balls on a 50-cent bet? Those are insane. That's like $74 on a 50-cent bet. All right, go. We were up like 90 bucks, now we're up 20. Buffalo Gold is just trash at Treasure Island. Look at that. We didn't even like get anything, no pay lines, nothing. I mean, literally just hit the button non-stop and not get anything. So don't come here if you want to play Buffalo Gold. There's probably a reason why there's no one at any of these machines. So what a whirlwind of emotions. We're down money, up money, down 150, down 120, 160, down 30, officially down $45. The Dragon Link with our card in has been like hitting pretty good.
Good fish, bro.
What's up, bro? Anyways, we have been hitting a few things on 50-cent bet. All the bets, 50-cent bet. That's gonna be the end of that. We end up being down like $70. We're here for like hours and hours. I literally lost my 120 budget. Well, it was up and down. It was up money, down money, up money, down money. I ended up taking another 100 out. End up going home with 155. So started with 220. So we're down, and then we gave probably about $8, $9 in tips. So about around $55, $60 being down here all day. Fun, but then I was just kind of getting sick of it. You know, like Dragon Link was the only game, to be honest, the Autumn Moon that was profitable. All the other, well, and Firelink. Firelink did win some money for us, but then lost some back at the end. Buffalo was trash. Buffalo Gold was trash. Anything Buffalo was just trash today. But we had fun. Time got away from us. Once again, I got to do some stuff at the house, so I got to pick up some food on the way. My sports bets got freaking creamed. I don't know what happened. I thought I was going to hit one ticket. All I had to do was hit the under. Top of the ninth. It was like 7 points. 2 outs. All they had to do was get one more out. That game would have been over. I would have hit that ticket. No, they decided to hit a 3-run homer to hit over the 9, and I lost by 1 run. $185 or $182, somewhere around there. So, can't even make this shit up, but that's the life. So, thank you guys for watching. I definitely appreciate every one of you guys. We're going to head home, grab some food on the way. That's going to be the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy Father's Day to everyone out there.
Happy Father's Day.
And I hope everybody had a good day. Spend some time with your family. Until next time, salute. Love you guys. We'll see you for the next journey. Next time on The Life of JT. I'm over here doing the sports bets. You know, the games are super close. I have 3 tickets, 3 $10 parlays. Everybody knows parlays like rarely hit. I expect to lose a ton of times in a row. I've lost 10 times in a row before I hit my last ticket for $200 and some. Comes down to this ticket. Rockies Twins over 8.5. It hits. Blue Jays Brewers literally hit in the second inning over the 9.5. Cubs Cardinals over 8.5. That hits. Nationals Rangers under 9.5. That hits. Comes down to Athletics and Royals over 8.5. It's at 5-3, bottom of the 9th. The Royals are up to bat. Runners on second and third.